Have you been daydreaming about relaxing next to your very own pool? Well, then stop daydreaming and start planning. World Class Pools is Pittsburgh's premier builder of custom pools and luxurious outdoor environments. We'd like to share some surprisingly simple and affordable ways to bring excitement and tranquility to your family's outdoor living area. World Class Pools specializes in concrete, fiberglass, and vinyl-lined swimming pools. Our outdoor environments include pool houses, cabanas, and outdoor kitchens. Another creative option for your outdoor environment would be a waterfall or water feature. Our one-of-a-kind hand-carved waterfalls can be added to one of our natural koi ponds. We can also add a waterfall to any of our custom pools. This is one of our hand-carved faux rock waterfalls that cascades into one of our custom liner pools. Our waterfalls increase your enjoyment to an infinite level. There's no limit to a creative imagination. Our creativeness and impeccable attention to detail starts on the drawing boards with our talented designers. Our vigilant focus is displayed through the construction process, right up to the last stroke of the artist's brush. While our pride shows in the quality of our old-world craftsmanship, we continually embrace our unique cutting-edge technology. Some of our endless options include water slides, vanishing edge pools, hot tubs, fire bowls, fire pits, and jumping rocks. And our jumping rocks get a lot of use. Evenings in one of our outdoor environments will transform your backyard oasis into an enchanted romantic retreat. What better way to end a day than by the pool? World Class Pools, making your dreams a reality.